welcome back to Made Up. It's your girl Diane, and in today's video we are revealing what I got in my April 2021 Boxycharm. Woo, woo, woo. I'm bringing it back to the 90s. If you know, you know. If you want to see what I got in my box this month, let's get made up. So for those of you who are unfamiliar with Boxycharm, it is a monthly subscription service where you pay about $25 each month for the base box. You get at least $125 worth of beauty products. That could be skincare, beauty tools, or actual makeup. I order the base box every month. They also have a premium and luxe box, but this is the one that I get every single month. It comes with a little info card each month, and it has some sort of theme. So it's sweet treats is the theme for this month. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started on seeing what I got. So first thing up, I got a product from Terre de Mars. I'm sure it's French, and I'm sure I don't know how to pronounce it. So here it is right here. This is a body cleanser, an organic, low foaming, aromatic, soft cleanser suitable for all skin types. Looks like it's got coffee, rosemary extracts in here, verbena oil, and aloe vera actually. So this is supposed to nourish and soften the skin. So I have not, ooh, okay, it's like open. There is no safety seal. So I haven't tried any of these products at all. Okay, all right. Ooh, it's happening fast. Okay, so there it is right there. It is exactly what I expect in sense of like a gel cleanser. My first reaction is that it smells like ginger beer. And for those of you who like ginger beer, which I do, ooh, I know it's not that, but it has a very, in my opinion, strong smell. I don't know that if it's a fragrance or if it's just like all the stuff they're putting in there, but I like it. It smells like ginger beer. Ooh, I'm thirsty. It smells spicy. So I'm definitely looking forward to trying this. This actually retails for $22. So the next is Dragonlash mascara from Qveen Studio. It's like a play on Queen, Qveen, or if it's like Queen, like Queen, like yes, Queen. The mascara retails for $18. This is lash doubling, volumizing mascara, lengthens and separates. Oh, this is a tubing mascara too. I've actually never tried a tubing mascara. I've been meaning to try the Thrive Cosmetics one, but the like couple times that I've tried to buy it, it's been sold out. And then you know how like if something's not easy or readily available, you're like, and like just give up. This is a tubing mascara, so I'm definitely looking forward to trying this out. Let's go ahead and get her open. It doesn't say anything about being waterproof, so normally I need a waterproof mascara. If it's not waterproof, all the mascara will end up here and I'll look like a raccoon. All right, so I am looking forward to trying this. Super cute packaging. It's their logo, which is like, it's made to look like a Q, but from two dragons together. Wicked. Let me show you what the bristles look like. I'm sure you guys are all familiar with these plastic applicators. I actually really like these ones. There's a time and a place, right? I like the natural bristles as well. What really obviously sets mascaras apart is how they perform. So I am a fan of both bristles. Next up is the Dragun Beauty Dragonfire Color Corrector. So there it is. I've actually never owned anything from Dragun Beauty. The dragon scales are on here. It's got this nice cute little texturized print there. That is iconic for Dragun Beauty. I've seen that before. So super cute box there. And then dragon scales over here, but it's not raised or anything. It's just printed on the handle. This is a pinky purple color. Purple. It's purple. It's purple. The Council of Ricks has come up with that it's purple. So as far as color correcting, I don't do much of it, but on the rare occasion that I do, I only have an orangey color, like a light orange, which corrects hyperpigmentation like this. Dark spots, I would go with a light orange if you're my skin tone, and then if you're deeper, it can get to a deeper orange. And then I use green, and that's for any pimples or that are red, or just redness in color if you suffer from rosacea or anything like that. Green is what cancels out red. So that is the extent to my color correcting. From what I understand, I think purple cancels out yellow tones, I don't have any yellow problems to fix, so I don't know that this is going to work for me. My whole skin tone is yellow. There's only so much I can color correct, but I do have yellow undertones in my skin, so I kind of find it funny. But anyway, so I was able to pull this up for you guys. As you can see on the screen, purple eliminates yellows in cool skin. I am warm skin like fire. So this would not work for me, but you never know when it might come up. The color corrector retails for $25. All right, next up in my box, I've got the Touch and Soul Pretty Filter Icy Sherbet Primer. Yeah. I've seen this online. I've seen people using it, so I'm definitely excited to give it a try today. Ooh, such pretty packaging. Love this. I feel like the stuff that I've got from Touch and Soul definitely feels like this. They all kind of look like this, but this is so cute. I love this packaging so much. This is a gel primer that has an instant cooling effect. Once it's applied, it hydrates and preps your skin for makeup. This is silicone-free, water capturing technology to lock in moisture and leave your skin feeling silky smooth. Those are some claims there. So it's a screw off top and then just pull this out. This fits in perfectly to this actually. That was kind of cool. Let me show it here. Ooh, that looks awesome. Such an interesting texture. Ooh, I'm just gonna take what's on the lid here. It feels very nice on my skin. It's that gel kind of feeling that's not wet. It like rubs out and then smooths out very, very nicely. I'm waiting for the cooling sensation. Let's wait for it together. Okay, I feel it. There is definitely a fragrance in this. It's nice though. It's very rosy, it's floral. I like it. It's light. But if you're a person that doesn't like scents, then this one's not for you. Definitely an interesting texture as far as anything in my collection as far as primer. It's very unique in my opinion. And this one goes for $32. Let's see, my last item on here is the Natasha Denona Jubilee eyeshadow palette. Okay, so this is what it comes in. Kind of interesting, just like a cardboard box, but hey, times are tough. All right, so this is the Jubilee one. I'm sure you guys have seen this online. I was kind of hoping for the more neutral palette because you know your girl's neutral. I love the packaging on this. I feel like this has been her iconic packaging for some time now. Ooh, see my fingerprints? And I like it. It just feels very, very nice. And I like the simplicity of it. It's not like a soft close, but it doesn't really click, but it does have a closure. That is what she looks like. I cannot wait to get these on my eyes, but let's go ahead and do some swatches on this one. The colors are listed in the back, also on that brown packaging. This is Mint Frost right here. This is Enigma. This is Limoncello. This is Intense, and this is Vintage Taupe. I think I'm right. I don't think that this one's Mint Frost. So I think I'm reading this right. Okay, let's do some swatches. Ooh, yes. Oh, gotta love that. Okay, next one up, Intense. Ooh. That is pretty. Next up, Limoncello. And that one is a metallic. I don't think it has any glitter in there, but I'll check right now. That is beautiful. Yeah, I would say that that's a metallic. All right, next up is Enigma. Ooh. Oh, it's blue. All this time I thought it was black. Oh, what an enigma. What? I think that's the perfect name for that shade. I mean, what a head trip. I did not know that. Like, seriously, I'm flabbergasted right now. What a beautiful shade. All right, and last but not least, we're gonna go with Mint Frost. Oh yeah. Just what a color payout there, right? I mean, you just can't go wrong with her. So even though I wanted that neutrals palette, I am very, very, very happy that I got this one. I know there's a lot of people out there who wanted the Jubilee and got the neutrals, so I am definitely very thankful. There's just no way. It's like, ugh. I am definitely thankful that I got this. And these two, I mean, just these two, or I guess three rather, these three matte shades here, they're absolutely stunning. And of course the metallic shades, I would expect them to perform beautifully, but you never know what you're gonna get with mattes and different color mattes in the same palette, right? I think they all had a very, very nice texture. I definitely am looking forward to trying these out on my lids, which I will do for you on camera a little bit later, but these swatches are absolutely gorgeous. The shades are true to what's in the pan. Love seeing that, and they have a great texture, so let's give this a go. This retails for $48, and that is the first time I got a Natasha Denona palette in my Boxycharm, and I'm so happy that I finally got one. Let's go ahead and get onto the try on portion of this video. I've already primed my lids with eye primer. I used the Thank Me Later eye primer that I got in a previous Boxycharm. So let's go ahead and go in with this bad boy. So I'm gonna start with the lightest shade, that Vintage Taupe right here. I'm gonna start in the outer V just to see how that color lies. I'm gonna slowly bring it into the crease. Definitely feels very buttery. Stunning, I love that. And I could see myself using this shade, a one and done type thing. Not right now like this, but like on my lower lid as when I'm just feeling a one day eyeshadow kind of vibe. So more than likely, based on this, I'm gonna use every shadow in the pan except for this color here. I'm not feeling this one today, even though I think she is stunning. It's daytime, I'm not trying to go to the club. Like, this is like going out, dinner, out type shade. So I'm gonna keep it pretty easy going with the other shades as best I can. Next, I am going to take a smaller brush and go in with the shade Intense. There's a little bit of fallout on these shadows, but not much. I'm just gonna go inside the inner V and kind of make a little V inside the V. Oh, I love that. Again, I could like stop here and just put like a neutral shade right there, but let's go ahead and go in with the Mint Frost at this point, and I'm gonna use my finger for this. I find that with metallics, I like to do that. That's normally how I do any metallic, so. Oh, I love it. I love it, it's so beautiful. She's intense. At least for me, like, could you imagine me? I'm going to the grocery store like this. That's what we're talking about. Okay, I'm gonna wipe my finger clean here, and I'm gonna put this limoncello shade. Limoncello. I'm gonna put this shade right here in kind of the inner corner, and I'm also gonna highlight with it too. But I will do that with a brush in a minute, unless my finger just naturally does it anyway. I like that. It actually blended in with the green perfectly with that Mint Frost. And then I am going to take this brush, that same small brush that we used with the Intense color right here. I'm gonna go back in and top it off just a little bit, just to kind of blend what's happening here a little bit better. Light hand. It kind of looks a little bit stark on camera, but I'm gonna fix that. I think it just looks a little bit stark on camera because of the reflection on that. I'm gonna tap a little bit more of Mint Frost over that. There you go, girl. And then I'm gonna take this limoncello color right in the center as well with a brush, just to do my inner corner highlight. I absolutely love it. All right, I'm gonna finish up the other eye and I'll be right back. All right, so we finished up with the other eye. I absolutely love it. They are just so pretty. I definitely think the Mint Frost is more intense than that yellow limoncello color. The yellow doesn't come off as much. I mean, that Mint Frost, I know it's mint. That yellow color kind of starts to blend in. I don't know if it's my skin tone, but it looks just icy. Not actually so yellow, just kind of a little icy moment. I definitely still enjoy it. I will say I had some fallout here, so I can really tell that it's that mint frost color. I'm having some trouble with it, so I would do my eyes first before I lay down a base. We are going to move on to this tubing mascara here, the Dragonlash mascara. Normally with a look like this, I would have put on some sort of eyeliner, but today we're just really more about testing out these products. So there are those plastic bristles again, the plastic applicator. Let's see how she does. There's that side. I see a difference right off bat, right away. That's just one coat too. So let's go in on the other eye to give this side a little bit of time to dry. Wow. So first coat, I definitely see a difference. Do you see that? They were almost nothing before. That's crazy. I'm gonna go in with a second coat, and sometimes with certain mascaras, a second coat will be the death of my lashes, because then they'll just start to get clumpy. You know, they can't handle 2 or 3 coats like some other people can do. I really can't do that. I'm shocked. I'm like in disbelief. I never get the length I'm getting right now. I mean, can you see it? It's so awesome. And I don't know if it's just this brand or if it's just this idea of the tubing mascara as to why my lashes are looking very long, comparatively speaking. Look at this. I absolutely love it. Let's see how it performs, I guess, but first impressions, fire, straight fire. All right, you guys, so that is really the finished look. We don't have any more beauty products to try, but I slapped on a little bit of Courage from Rare Beauty just to kind of finish the lips off. It's definitely, for me, your lips put better kind of look. You can barely tell I put anything on my lips. That is all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys had fun, and if you have signed up for Boxycharm, let me know if you liked your products. If you didn't, please like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to ring that notification bell so you can be notified of all my future uploads. Until next time, friends, see you soon.